Here's how to change region or country in Valorant account. First, open your web browser and search for Riot Games Support. Open the official Riot Games Support website. Once you're there, click Sign in the top right corner and log in with your Riot Games account. After signing in, scroll down to the Transfer Region section and click on it. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Check. If the country linked to your Riot account doesn't match your current location, Riot will detect it automatically and give you the option to update your region directly from that page. If that method doesn't work or you aren't able to change your region, return to the top of the page and click Submit a Ticket. First, select the product. In our case, it is Valorant. Next, from the Request Type menu, select Account Management, Data Request, or Deletion. Fill out the required information. Select the platform you use most often. Next, choose Account Management in this inquiry section. Then select Need Help Changing Country or Residence from the following menu. Then enter Change Location as the subject. In the description, enter a message similar to this. Hi, I accidentally selected the wrong server region during sign-up. Could you please switch my account to your preferred region server? Thank you. Replace the region in the message with the one you want to switch to, then submit the ticket. After submitting your request, Riot support typically responds within 24 to 48 hours. If your request is approved, they'll update your account region for you. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.